In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring back ribbons in AutoCAD. If your AutoCAD interface suddenly looks bare and all the tool panels are gone, don't worry. The ribbon, which is that strip of tabs and panels across the top with commands like Home, Insert, Annotate, and more, is easy to restore. The ribbon controls most of the tools you use every day, so getting it back quickly helps you stay productive. First, the fastest way to bring it back is by using the command line. Click anywhere in the drawing area so AutoCAD is active, then type the word ribbon and press enter. You don't need to capitalize it, just type ribbon. As soon as you press enter, AutoCAD loads the full ribbon interface. You should see the familiar tabs and panels reappear along the top of the screen. If the ribbon was completely off, this command turns it back on. If it was already on but hidden, this may bring it forward. If typing ribbon doesn't seem to change anything, there's a good chance the ribbon is simply minimized rather than turned off. In that case, look to the top bar of the application and find the small caret or arrow icon near the ribbon area. Click that caret to expand the ribbon. AutoCAD can minimize the ribbon in different ways, such as showing only tabs or just panel titles, and that caret toggles it back to the full, expanded view with both tabs and panels. After clicking it, you should see the entire ribbon return so you can access all your tools as usual. That's really all there is to it. Either you re-enable the ribbon by typing ribbon and pressing enter, or you expand it with the caret if it was minimized. These two quick actions solve the vast majority of cases where the ribbon seems to have disappeared. Once it's visible again, take a moment to confirm you can see the tabs you expect and that the panels look normal. If you're working in a layout or a different drawing, the ribbon will remain available across your session. Remember, the ribbon is designed to streamline your workflow, so keeping it visible when you need it can save a lot of clicks. If you prefer a cleaner workspace at times, minimizing it with the caret is fine. Just know you can bring it right back with the same control or by typing ribbon and pressing enter. With these two simple fixes, you're ready to continue drafting without interruption.